Okay, thank you for everyone coming for today. So today is basic account training. So I will begin now. Everyone ready, right? Okay, thank you for your reply. Okay, so first of all, I will go on one by one the tab, and we will start for the maintenance first. So after we set up the maintenance, I will show how to create bill, and after that, in the last section, I will show how to view all the report. Okay, so first we go to file here. Then we go to company profile to set up our company profile first. Okay, this is our company profile. Here is where we insert the logo. Okay, so you just right click the square box here. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot here, and then you can find where you put your logo, okay, at your desktop or any folder. Okay, so just select it and then open you will see your logo here. Okay, after that, put your company name here. Remark is just for reference purpose, nothing special. And the registration number and all. There's new and old. No worry, if you want to insert on yourself, it's okay. If not, you can click on this icon. Okay, click on this icon, and system will detect your company name and your new and old registration number will be appear. So you just select here and click on OK, will do. Okay. Next is industrial code. Industrial code is we call as MSIC code or code perniagaan. This one very important because upcoming is e-invoice. Okay, so e-invoice need to fill in this field. So if you don't know your MSIC code, please go to your e-filing last year. Okay, you will find there's a code perniagaan there. Okay, so you just insert the 5-digit MSIC code, which is called industry code or called as code perniagaan. Okay, so you just insert it. Okay, next is address. Address also quite important because it's in your e-invoice need this information. Country, a must to set Malaysia. Okay, a must to set Malaysia. If you set Malaysia, the my invoice tab will be from up. Okay, because SQL not only in Malaysia, there's in Singapore and other country. So remember to set Malaysia. So there's my invoice tab will be come up. And next is your postcode, city, and the state. Very important. State very important. Okay. State important for the e-invoice because it's a mandatory field. So state important to fill in. Phone number is a mandatory field for e-invoice also. So remember to fill in, and your email if you would like to receive the notification for LHDN after implementation of e-invoice. Remember the email. Remember to fill in. Okay. Next is report header. What is report header? Report header is the letterhead. Okay, it's the letterhead of your invoice. So here you just go to this tab and set report header. It will automatically capture the all information from your general tab, and it will be laid out like this. If you don't want the layout like this, you can click this edit button anytime. Sorry. Click this edit button to edit the style you want, the font and the size, okay, and the wording size, okay. You can adjust it. So after adjusting, you just save it will do. Okay. Next is report footer. Report footer is the bottom there. When you print out your invoice, the bottom, okay, the bottom is same like letterhead. Every format will appear this. Okay, if you want to print bottom there, got some maybe some wording or some sentence. Okay, you can put here. So every format you print out, the bottom there will have this sentence appear. Okay. Next is my invoice. My invoice is we use to link with LHDN. So this one today, we don't talk about this. This one will be covered on next Friday. Next Friday, stock and e-invoice SQL training. Okay. So this tab will not cover today. Okay. This is just linking function with LHDN. Next is GST. Previously we used, so now we didn't remove it because last time GST era still got user to use it, so they just still keep their information. So we still keep it. So if you don't have GST, just ignore this tab. Okay, next is SST. If your company got SST, remember to fill in all the information here. Okay. Next, online payment. This one nothing special, just a reference purpose only, so you can add on your company online payment details. Okay. Next is email setting. If you have purchased the SQL apps, okay, so you can insert all the information there. Okay, this one is also reference only, so nothing special. So if you want to fill in, just fill in. Okay, this is cloud. If you got purchase any SQL cloud, then here is we use to do the mapping. Okay, so that's all for the company profile. So after you input all the information, just click this save button, will do. Okay. Okay, next is product activation. Product activation, once you get your license from SQL, our support team will contact you to help you to insert this activation code. So this is your license code. Okay, so the one company just insert once only. Okay, so after your support help to insert it, remember don't touch already. Okay, because this is case sensitive and all the wording sensitive. So please don't touch it. This is where your license insert. Okay, where you insert your license. Okay, that's all for the file tab. Okay, now we go to tools. Okay, we go to tools. First, we go to option here. Okay, we go to option here. Okay, we go one by one. I explain all the function of the setting of the SQL first. Okay. Okay, first is miscellaneous. Okay, what is accounting value? If your invoice, your decimal place is more than 2 decimal place, if you want to add on, you can add on here. Okay, you can add on here. Original, the SQL come, the basic one is set for 2 decimal place. Okay, this is the accounting value, 2 decimal place. If your company is more than 2 decimal place, you want 3 decimal place, you can just add on the 0 here. Okay, for both sides, 0 here, 0 here. So as you can see, the sample will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, dot 1, 2, 3. So here is where we add on the decimal places. Okay, so if normal, just 2 decimal place. Okay, and for currency rate, okay, original system default setting is for decimal place. But if you want to have more accurate currency rate, you can add on as many decimal place as you want. The more you add, the more accurate is the currency rate. Okay, so you just add on here. Same to stock quantity. Some company, they don't want appear decimal place for their stock quantity because their stock quantity don't have any decimal place. They feel that the decimal place very annoying. So you can remove the decimal place here. So just remove all the 0 after the dot. Okay, so you see, as if I remove all the decimal place, see, it become 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the sample, okay, which is no decimal place for the stock quantity. Okay, so you can adjust it here. Okay, so I put it back. Okay, same for the item selling price and item purchase price. Okay, so this is all where we set the decimal place. Okay, for the first one, merge same item code. This one is in stock module, so didn't cover today. From negative stock, also stock module. Show document project. This one you just take it because it won't affect anything. But for next time, if you got insert project things, you can see it. Okay, so no need to do any adjustment. Runtime stock costing, this one is stock for stock also. Okay, from duplicate check number. What is this? This is one we make payment because our customer payment side, show you all, customer payment side, we have a column here, which is called check number. Okay, so if you take this, when system detect the check number is the same, it will prompt out the notification say that this check number already appeared before. So would you like to change it, amend it, or what? Okay. So if you didn't tick it, which means every time the check number is the same, or maybe you put some remark here is the same, it won't prompt out any notification. Okay, so mostly now didn't use check already lah. So this one we just ignore it. Okay. Next is use document date for acceptable transaction date checking. This one is for setting, because some of the company, they don't want their maybe admin or purchase team or clerk to touch the certain date, the certain document date transaction. So you can tick this. So system will use the document date to lock the transaction. Okay, so this one is based on the document date. It's not in your computer date. Okay, so if you want to based on your document date, then you click on this. Okay, so next is post audit trail for stock sales purchase detail. This one no need to do anything. Okay, auto post GL stock value. This one is stock module also. Okay, so I already explained one by one. Okay, then next is unit price. This one is for stock module also. Okay, so no need to touch it. Next is general ledger. General ledger default already have this setting. So this one is just mapping. If you change your ledger account, so you need to come here to double check, to cross check whether the account mapping is correct or not. So later when I show how to set the account, the GL there, how to maintain, so I will open this box again to help to let you all see the mapping function. Okay, next is customer. Okay, default control account, the code for GL there, the number is 300-000. If you change it and your GL, maintain GL account there, the number you change it. So remember to mapping again here. Okay. Next is default credit terms. Original default credit term we set to 30 days for every customer, okay, at your customer tab. So if your company credit term is not 30 days, maybe other type terms, okay, for example 60-day or maybe cash on delivery, you can change it here, okay, or maintain a new type of credit terms based on your company. Next is default credit limit. Okay, currently credit limit default is set to 30,000. Okay, if your company don't want the customer, the credit limit is more is for 30,000, for example, 10,000 only, you can change here. This one, once you change, is for every customer you state here. Okay, this is for every customer. So if for single customer, we just go to the customer profile to set will do. Okay, so everything you change in option here is to all customer or all supplier like this. Okay, this is the format for the running number of your customer. So if you don't want to change it, then just ignore it. Okay. Next is use cash sales number for payment received. What is this? Okay, I just show you a sample. Okay, here is our cash sales. Here is our customer payment. Okay, I open both window. Okay, if I tick this, okay, if I tick this, use cash sales number for payment received, which means when I create a cash sales, okay, I just simply create one. Okay, once I save it, it prompt up this one, correct? Okay, when the payment is made, the receipt number is same with your cashier's number. Okay, so this one is this function. Okay, if I take this, use cashier's number for payment received, which means this payment receipt number is same with your cashier's number. Okay, if you don't want your payment receipt number is same with your cashier's number, then you don't take it. Then the payment receipt number will follow your company official receipt running number. Okay, for example, if I didn't take it, okay, I create a new one, cashiers, new transaction, and then I save it. Okay, as you can see, this one become OR, which is follow your official receipt number. It's not follow your cashier's number. Okay, understand, huh? So it depends on you whether you want your receipt number follow your cashier's number or your receipt number follow your customer payment official receipt running number. So just tick and untick it, okay? If tick it, the cashier's number is same with your payment receipt number. If you didn't tick it, the cashier's number is different with your receipt number, okay? So this is where we do the setting. Next is perform tax. This one, don't touch it, okay? Another tool is 5 cents rounding. Okay, sales invoice, if you no need to do the 5 cents rounding, which means the transaction 1, 2, 3, 4 cents is acceptable, it won't automatically jump the rounding. Then you just ignore it, okay? Then for some customer, their cashiers is always receive cash only, but cash, because cash don't have 1, 2, 3, 4 cents, so they take it. So once we take it, okay, just show you all a sample. If I take a cashiers here, okay, I do it like 8503 like this. Okay, so once I save it, you see, it automatically rounding for me. Okay, so because I take at cashiers here, so all the transaction at cashiers only will appear 0 or 5 cents. Okay, as just now you see, I didn't take at invoice, so at the invoice there, even I put 0.3 cent, it won't affect anything. The rounding won't appear, see? Okay, so if you want the rounding adjustment, auto do it, so you just tick here, okay? Go to option, customer here to take it. Okay, whether you want to do the rounding as sales invoice or cashiers or both, okay? Just tick whichever you want. Okay, next is for supplier. So supplier, nothing special, just use cash purchase number for payment paid. It's same with the function of use cashier's number for payment received. Okay, this both is the same. So you know how the customer side how to do it. So supplier side is the same. Okay, so this is all the setting at SQL. Okay, that's all. Not so complicated. Okay. Any questions for here? Any questions for this option? If no, then I continue. Am I too fast? Is it okay? Okay, okay, thank you very much. Okay, so we move on next. Okay, next we will go to do GL. Okay, GL is very important. Okay, GL very important. First, we need to maintain our account. Oh, sorry, the tools there. There's one missing part. I didn't show. A moment, I show here. Okay, the journal ledger, just now I say the mapping, correct? Okay, there's a financial start period and system conversion date here. Okay, what is the difference between financial start period and system conversion date? Okay, first, financial start period is your account, your P&L, your trial balance, okay? Your company account start period. Okay, for example, if your company account every P&L is start from January to December. So this one you put as first 01/01/2024. Okay, if your company, for example, is from October to September, so this one you need to put 01/10/2024 like this. Okay, so this is called financial start period, which is your P&L, your trial balance account period. Okay, so you put the start date. Okay, so this is called as financial start period. Okay, what is system conversion date? Which means when you start using SQL, when you start convert from old system to SQL, the date you start SQL. Okay, so this is the difference. Financial start period is your P&L. System conversion date is when you start using SQL. Okay, so this is the difference. So if you are from others software, other accounting software, convert to SQL. So when you start convert, when is the first date you use SQL? This is called system conversion date. Okay, so this is the difference, So this is the difference. Okay, so now we start for maintain account. GL maintain account is very important because we need to maintain everything correct. Then we only can create transaction. Okay, this is our maintain account. Default setting will be like this. Okay, if you want to change the code, yes, you can change it. After you change it, remember go to tools there, double check and mapping. Okay, then this is the original one. If you want to change name, very simple. You just double click it and change the name will do. If you want to change code, same, double click it to change the code will do. Okay. Next is how we create new account under this. Okay, under this. So we got the level, we call level. So the first, I close all, let you all see what is called level. Because if you understand the level function, then later when you want to view all the report, very simple. Okay, this is called first level. You see the first dotted line, this we call first level. Okay, next. The second line here, insert here, okay, you see, like when we do Microsoft Word, we got do the tab thing, correct? When we tab is go inside a bit, move inside a bit, this one move inside a bit is the second level. So what is third level? As you can see, this is the third level. See, first level, cash at bank is second level, Maybank is level 3, third level. So this is we call as level, like mother and child, mother account and child account. So at here we call first level, second level, and third level. Okay, first, second, third, first, second, third. So as you can see, when I view my report, for example, I view profit and loss. Okay. As you can see here, we got option show up to how many level. So if I put 2 level, what is the function? Okay, as you can see, first level is current asset, correct? Second level is, sorry, this one is P&L. So I show the P&L revenue lah. Okay. Oh, maybe I don't put P&L. P&L cannot see all. I put balance, I put trial balance. Oh, sorry. Balance sheet will be better. Okay, can see all. Okay, this is set 2 level. Okay, I put 2 level first. Okay. This is 2 level. Okay. First level, current asset, correct? Second level, trap data, cash at bank. So it only show until cash at bank, which is all lump sum of Maybank until HSBC, all lump sum. This is called, I want to show up level 2. So if I want to show up to level 3, apply. As you can see, the Maybank all appear. So this is we call level. Depends on how detailed you want to see your report. Okay, so this is we call level. So this level, understand, huh? So first level we call current asset. Second level we call cash at bank. Third level we call Maybank. Okay, which is like mother account and child account. See, if I put one level only, see, only current asset, other asset, all is lump sum. So level 2 until trap data, cash at bank, which is until here. Okay, and then level 3 is Maybank. Okay, if you have level 4, level 5, then continue. Okay, so this is the level function. This is the level function. So depend how you set your maintain account there. Okay, how you set your account, how detailed you set your account. So system can show up all the report. Okay, so we continue our maintain account. Okay, if you want to create account under this non-current asset, very simple, just find the mother account. Okay, very easy to understand is when you want to create account under which account, you just go to the mother account, click the mother account and click on new will do. Okay, then put your code. For example, this one is 200. So 200, now the running number is until 405. 400 and 405. So this one I put 500. This one I just put XXX. Just a sample. Okay. See? Very simple. Very simple. So how to do the accumulated depreciation? You just say go to mother account. I just click new. Then 200 dash follow the running number. XXX. I just put shortcut here. Accumulated depreciation of XXX like this. So remember to take this special account type to let the system know this is the accumulated depreciation account will do. Okay, so okay, see, very simple, very simple. Same to the bank. Okay, same to the bank. If I want to maintain a new bank, very simple. I want to maintain under cash at bank, correct? So I just go for cash at bank. Go to the mother side and then click new. Okay. Then put the code. Now it's until 004. So I put 310005. Okay, what bank? Public Bank, PBB. Because now currently don't have Public Bank yet. So I put PBB. So this is a special account type. Then what is the PBB? So PBB is a bank account or cash account or deposit account or customer control account, blah, blah, blah. So because PBB is my bank account, so I just click bank account, then click OK. See, very simple. Okay, so you maintain account just like this. You just find the mother account, then click on new, put the code, then put the descriptions and put the, if this is a special type account, then just select it. Will do. Okay, same to all this. Okay, same to all this. So very simple. So if you got change this code, okay, remember to go tools, double check it. If you change it, remember ledger there. Okay, if your foreign exchange rate again account is not 530-000, remember to change it to the correct one. Okay, to the correct one. Okay, all the account you maintain at the maintain account there will be appear at this drop down list. Okay, so you just do the mapping. If you do any changes, so just cross check. Remember to cross check. Okay, if you didn't do any changes, then just leave it. Okay, if you want to double check also can. Okay, so this is where we maintain our GL account and where we do the mapping. Okay, and where we do the mapping. That's all for the GL account. So next, we go to tools here. Tools here. We set others maintenance. Okay, other maintenance first. I explain one by one. After we do the GL. Okay, maintain agent. If your company got agent, which is you want to do the commission things, okay, you can maintain your agent here. So we just go to new, put the agent code and the descriptions will do. Okay, so we just maintain here. Maintain agent, maintain areas is the same. Just code and descriptions. All is very simple. Just maintain one by one. Maintain terms. If your terms is not only this, you have 45-day term or others type, you can just click on new to create it. Put the code you want, put the description you want, put the terms type, whether it's due in number of days or maybe due on specific days or maybe due in month end. Okay. And if you put due in number of days, how many days? For example, 45 days. Okay, this is where we create terms. We create the new terms. Okay. Next is currency. If you got purchased the maintain currency, the advanced currency module, you can maintain all the currency here. Okay, maintain all the currency here first. Then later you go to payment method there, set, okay, to map it. Map which bank is under using the advanced currency module. Okay, so you can create as many currency as you want here. Okay, just click on new, just put the currency information and the rate. Okay, the rate, even we can do the setting to set it. For example, if your company mostly do the import exporting, you can set, for example, today's date from and day to, the buying rate and selling rate is how much. Okay, so every single transaction your purchase department or sales department they create, all will follow the rate you set here. So they don't need to ask one by one. So every day you can put here. Day from day to, okay? You can put as many date you want. So all the clerk, all the admin, the rate when they key in the transaction, all will follow this. All will auto follow this. Okay, here is how we maintain the currency. Next is maintain journal. This one, nothing special. No need to do any adjustment because system already default have all this. Okay, so just don't touch it. Okay, next is maintain payment method. Okay, the payment method just now is here. All the account we create here will automatically appear here. As you can see just now, I just created my PBB, correct? Now, when I open my maintain payment account, my maintain payment method, it will automatically appear. Because maintain payment method here, we cannot create new. If you want to create the new bank, to create a new bank account, so we need to insert add in here. Like just now what I do, I on a PBB, Public Bank. So next, I just go to here. If this Public Bank is foreign currency account. So I just go to here to let system know. I edit it to let system know this is currency account. This is foreign currency bank. So I just let system know maybe PBB is a US dollar, my overseas US dollar account. Okay, so you just here to do mapping to let the system know. If you didn't set anything, it will go to default, which is Malaysian ringgit. Okay, this is how we set. You see, for example, UOB is a SGD account. So here you can see it's mapped with FGD. So when you create transaction, when you do the customer payment there, a system will know this is a SGD account. So the currency rate column will be propped out. For example, like this. If I put USD, you can see UOB SGD, the currency column and the rate will be propped out. Okay, if I put back Maybank, see, the rate won't come out. Okay, this is where we let the system know. See, if I put HSBC is USD account, the rate column will be propped out. So here is the rate. I set at my maintain currency there. See, the rate will follow this 4.20. Okay, 4.20. So if I set to UOB 3.30 because I set 3.30 here. Okay, so this is where we do the mapping, okay? Okay, so here is for the maintain payment method function. Next is maintain project. If your company got do the project things, you can maintain your project here, put your code and descriptions. If you want more information to be insert, you can insert the project value and project cost. Okay. Okay. Next is maintain text. Maintain text, nothing special. Original default already have these two text. Okay. So just leave it. And the same with withholding text. Okay. Next is maintain company category. This one is nothing special also. Okay, nothing special also. And then maintain shipper is same as maintain the area. Okay, just insert the code description you want. Mostly if for delivery lah, for stock module. Okay, maintain tariff also the same. If you have special tariff code want to insert, just insert here. Okay, so this is all for the maintenance. So any questions about the maintain GL account and all the maintenance here? If no, then I proceed. Is it okay? Okay, thank you very much. If I'm too fast, just let me know, yeah? Okay, so after we maintain all these things, all these complicated things, okay, now finally we can set up our customer profile and supplier profile. So we go to customer first. Here is maintain customer, where we insert our new customer. So I will explain one by one. Okay, we just click on new. For example, we just insert a company name. Okay, show one more function regarding to the e-invoice. Okay, I just click on this tab first. Text, as you can see, now it's nothing. Now we have this function for e-invoice. Okay, for example, I put a here. I just put on keyword will do. Okay, so because now SQL very shortcut already, everything is auto. So I just put a keyword for the, if I want to insert a new company, I put a here. Okay, so you just go to this registration number new, there have an icon, this icon, just click on this icon. Anything, and all the company have this share wording, it will be prompt out. Okay, so you can just select it, so you don't need to key in the full name already. So I just select the first one and then, okay. Then system will ask you, do you want to replace it? So you no need to key in by yourself the full name. Yes. So system automatically help me to fill in the full name. Okay, you even no need, you no need to key in all full already. This keyword will do. So after I select it, as you can see, the business registration number will automatically appear and the team number automatically appear already, as you can see here. Okay, this one already auto This is an extra function for the e-invoice because now our SQL already upgrade to the e-invoice era. So this one already appear. So if you want to maintain a new company, you no need to key in one by one already. The company name, the registration number. So you just key in the keyword of the company name and just click on this icon. Then system will help you to detect it. Next thing you just need to do is fill in all the information. For example, the address are very important now because now once you do for once, next time e-invoice can use already. So remember now the information you need to put as full as you can. Okay, as full as you can. So address very important, the country very important. Okay, country very important. Postcode, city is still okay. State is mandatory field for e-invoice. Next, attentions. This one is based on you lah. Then phone, mandatory field. Okay. Email not compulsory lah. If you want to put also can. Okay, so here is where we put the customer information. Okay. For the branch, here as you can see, there's a branch here. If for this Asia Season Berhad, there's more than one branch. Okay, one is for building address. This one you can change also, This one you can change it. You don't want to put building also can. Okay, for example, this one I put as Tunghara. Okay, then I put the address is blah, blah, blah. Okay, okay, next, I want to maintain another branch. Another branch. For example, next, the branch name will be Bayang Lepas. You can maintain as many branch as you want. Okay, no problem. Okay, so just create. This one maybe Farim. Just create. So here is where we maintain our new branch. Okay, if this company have a lot of branch, you can maintain here. Okay, you can maintain here. So when you create the transaction, you just select it will do. See, now I maintain 3 already. Okay, so now I maintain 3 already. I show the difference. Okay, when I create an invoice, I select for this company, Asia. Okay, I just go to more here. See the branch, the delivery branch, I can select. Just now, I maintain 3, correct? So I can select. If I select filing, all the filing information will be appear here. Okay, so if I select Sungai Ara, all the Sungai Ara information will appear here. Same to building. Okay, same to building. So nothing special here. Here you can select it. For the DO, for the invoice, for the cashiers, all can select here. Just go to more and select the branch will do. Okay, select the branch will do. Very simple. Okay, so next, the area here is where we maintain just now at the tools here, maintain area. So just now, the area we maintain all here, you can just assign. So this area is which area if you want to assign it. Agent, if you want to assign it. The currency, if this is a overseas customer, you can assign it. Okay, so all the maintain here we create just now, you just assign at here, do the mapping will do. Okay, so once you maintain properly here, next time when you create a new customer, you just select. Same for the credit term. If just now you can maintain a special type for example 35 days, you can just select it. Okay, statement, this one depends on you whether the statement you want to view is brought forward or open item. Okay, aging on depends on your company whether it's invoice date or the due date. Okay, price tag, this is for the stock module. So for basic account, no need to touch it. E-invoice submission. For e-invoice submission, now got 3 selection. All automatically will be assigned to e-invoice. You no need to do anything unless you are working, you are corporate with Lazada, Shopee for the all e-commerce platform. You remember to select none. Okay, remember to select none for the e-commerce platform if your customer is e-commerce platform, because e-commerce platform, they already submit the e-invoice. So at your side, you no need to submit e-invoice already. So remember, if your customer company name is Lazada, Shopee, GrabFood, or the Foodpanda, remember choose none. Okay. Other than that, just leave it. E-invoice will do. Okay. Next is credit control. What is credit control? As you can see, credit limit default is 30,000 because at the tools here, option there, customer for default credit limit is 30,000. So every single new customer you create, it will automatically become 30,000. So if this customer is not very good customer, you don't want the credit limit to be 30,000, you can adjust here. For example, 5,000 will do, or maybe 2,000 will do, like this. On the overdue limit is how much you can put. Okay, then all this limit apply to which transaction? All transaction, or maybe quotation only, sales order, DO, invoice, cashiers, or debit notes. Okay, for example, if I apply to quotation only, so I just take quotation. So if exceed the credit limit, whether it's blocked or can override or can unblock. Okay, and exceed overdue limit is directly block or unblock or override. This all we can do the setting of, or maybe it's directly suspended. And what is the suspended message you can put here? So once this A, Asia, C, we create quotation for them. When you save it, this message will be prompt out. Okay, I just show a simple. Maybe I set that customer. Okay, so when I just put on save, so if I create a quotation for this customer, okay, save it. See, there's a notification come out say that this customer has been suspended, and the reason is the thing I type, bad customer. Okay, this is the function. But because I only apply to quotation, right? So if I create DO, create SO, I use SO lah. Create SO, it won't appear anything. See, it can save because I only apply to quotation. So depends on which one you apply. Okay, so this is the function. Put that. Okay, so very simple, huh? Okay, next is notes. This you can put all the information notes here. So nothing special, all is just remark. Notes also just more information for you to view. Okay, text. Okay, text GSC number, just leave it. Default text, just leave it. Okay, sales tax number, if this company have sales tax number you want to insert also can. Okay, BRN key number will be automatically appear. Tourism number, if this is a tour company, you can put their tourism number, exemption number if they have, expiry date, blah blah blah, tax area, service tax number, but okay. So nothing special. And next is bank account. This is for the extra information for you to know. Okay, if you want to put the extra information, for example, bank account for this company, then you just add their bank will do. This is just reference. No, don't have any special function. Okay, just extra information for you to have a place to put only. Okay, this is where we do the maintain customer. So maintain customers here, got any questions? Any questions for maintain customer? If no, then I proceed to maintain supplier. Okay, thank you very much for your reply. Okay, so we continue. We'll move on to maintain supplier. Maintain supplier mostly is same with the maintain customer. Okay, nothing special. Okay, same company name you can insert. After that, you just click on this. Same, I put Asia again. Asia. Okay, the text number also will automatically appear. I show again. So just click on this icon. So search for the first one, then okay. Then yes, help me to replace it. Okay, BRN automatically appear, team number automatically appear. Okay, so nothing special already. Okay, then here is the same branch name address, all same with customer side. And the branch, if you want to add on, same with the customer side. And next, the difference is credit limit. As you can see, there's no credit limit tab here. Okay, it's here because this one is supplier. The owning side is our side. Okay, so this one credit limit just set it here to let my own to know I already own this company how much, okay? So nothing to suspend, nothing to block, okay? Because this is my supplier, not my customer. So credit limit, very simple to set here. Okay, statement, same, aging, same, price tag is for the stock module, okay? So next is e-invoice submission. As you can see, very special. Customer there, e-invoice submission is appear e-invoice, correct? But for supplier side, is automatically will be appear none. Why? Because purchase invoice, which is the invoice we receive, we no need to submit e-invoice because your supplier already submitted. That's why here become none. So when we need to change it, if our supplier is individual, for example, your landlord is individual, or your supplier is overseas supplier, okay, then you have to do self-bill, or maybe your supplier is the agent, which you need to pay them the commission. Then you have to choose self-bill. Okay, none and consolidated no need to do anything. Okay, so remember for the overseas supplier, for those individual, okay, special case like individual overseas supplier, you have to choose self-bill. After you choose self-bill, remember the classification to map it. Okay, whether this supplier is importation of goods, which is overseas supplier, for example, Taobao, others like Thailand import, or maybe importation of service, or others, for example, your landlord is individual, or maybe you hire some Malaysian to help you do the part-time for only 1 day, then it's self-bill, okay, others. Next is monetary payment to agent. If this supplier is your agent, okay, you pay them commission. Then remember, maintain the supplier here, okay, the name here, and remember to choose 034, 037, self-bill, monetary payment to agent, dealer, or distributor, okay? So only for this special type supplier, you have to choose self-bill and select their classification. Other than that, all is none. So no need to do any changes here. Okay. So next is notes, same with the maintain customer there. Just insert whatever you want. Text, okay, just insert here. Just insert here, nothing special. Okay, for example, Taobao, okay, the TIN number you just select foreign supplier will do. Okay, foreign supplier will do because Taobao or overseas supplier, they don't have their TIN number. So we use general TIN number will do. Okay, so here already have the drop down list for you to select. So you no need to rememberize the number lah. Okay, just select it. Okay, bank account here is also for the information. Okay, so just a place for you to insert the supplier bank account number. So next time you can refer lah, just to refer only, nothing special. Okay, this is the maintain supplier side. Okay, maintain supplier side here got the industrial code. Okay, so you can insert your supplier industrial code, which is your supplier MSIC code. For last time, e-invoice is compulsory, but now no need already. No need already. It's not compulsory. They remove it temporary, but don't know when will be add on. But if you put 50 here is nothing. Okay. Not compulsory already. Okay, so just ignore it lah if you don't want to insert. Okay, so that's all for the maintain supplier. Very simple, huh? So if you know how to do the customer side, supplier side also follow only. Okay. So any questions for the maintains? All the maintain done. If all okay, then I will continue for the maintain document number. Teach you all how to create the document number, running number. Okay, for the customer and supplier maintenance. Okay, thank you very much. So we go to maintain document number. What is maintain document number? Which is our invoice and cashiers or others type of document, their running number. Because default is very simple like this, but most of the company, they don't want this style. If you want to change it, you can change like this. I show a notepad here, later I paste the formula to our checkbox. So you can see. Okay, for example, I use customer invoice. Okay, customer invoice. Currently, the default, very simple, is IV-000, blah, 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 the number. If don't want, if your company want to have some special running number, for example, include the date and, for example, year, month, like that. For example, my company, this one is called eStream. Okay, ES. eStream is ES. This testing company is ES. The IV. Okay, I just follow IV. Maybe 5 digit. This one not the year first, 5 digit. Or maybe 4 digit. For if my number I want to do like this. Okay, very simple. You just go to edit. Here, IV here, you just add on ES. Here, 5D, which means 5 digits. So if I don't want 5 digit, I want 4 digit only. So change to 4. Change to 4. Moment, change to 4 only. So you can see, become ESIV0020. So the next number, if my next number is 40, so I just change to 40. Okay, so once I save it and I create my invoice, I create my new invoice, you see, it become ESIV0040. Okay, see. Okay, save it. You see, ESIV0040. Okay, this is how we set. So if let's say I want to insert dates, for example, ESIV, then slash 2025 dash month, for example, 01. Then maybe slash, I slash again, only running number 001. Or maybe now it's until 5 already. If I want to set like this, also can. So how I set it, I just do like this. ESIV, this is the formula. Okay, so follow slash. I insert this kind of bracket. As you can see, there is a arrow, a small arrow in the middle there. Small arrow in the middle. I put alias, my year. Y. Okay, year, then dash. Because here is dash, correct? Dash, then month, mm. Okay, then close it. Then slash percent dot, how many digit? 3 digit. Then D, just like this. Just like this. This one later I will paste at the chat box there, so you all can copy it. Okay, so this one I just put here. Okay, so you can see, run out already. ESIV alias, see, slash is the same, 2025-01 slash 041, because the next number is 041. Okay, so this is the formula. This is the formula. Very simple, right? So if this one you don't want dash, you want slash also, yes, you can change to slash. See, I change to slash. If I change to slash, it also follows slash. See, becomes slash already. Oh, okay. So this one just depend on you, because slash and dash is no function. So you can put whatever you want. Okay, so you just put it. Next, what we need to do is we need to set the frequency, because this one I got put month, correct? So I want new month will be start from 1. The number will be start from 1. So frequency I set to reset monthly. So yes. Okay. So this is 2025 for the first month. My next number is 5 already. See? Okay. So how about 2024? Okay, I still got 2024 transaction haven't insert all. Yes, I still can put in 2024, maybe December now already until maybe 475. Next number is 475. Okay, no problem. I just insert it. Okay, so sets for the February, I no need to add in, because For February, now don't have any running number, correct? It still start from 1. So if the number is start from 1, you no need to insert here. No need to insert here. Just for the number is not start from 1, you insert here. So I let you all see the difference. Okay. For example, I put CR same. The date I put 2024, December 18. So you can see it become ESIV 2024-12-475 because next number is 475. See, it will be follow. It will be follow. See, ESIV/2024, follow the next number you set here. So if the date I change to here, today's date again, so same, I create a transaction. The next number is 5, correct? So it will be appear as 5. As 5. So how about February? I didn't insert, correct? So for February, which is start from number 1, I no need to do anything. See, I no need to do anything. It will automatically start from running number 1. So all for the running number 1 begin from running number 1, you no need to add in. Just add in for the next number is not start from 1. Okay, this is the setting. This is the setting. If your company is not use monthly, it's only year, more easier, it's more simple. Same, I use this sample. No need to put month. Then the running number maybe will be more digit. Yes, you can do like this. Just remove the month. Will do. Will do. Then here I got 5 digit. Okay, so I just paste it. Move all. Okay. So this one will be reset yearly. Reset yearly because this is only for year. I feel company is only for year, so 2025. Next number maybe is 9 already, but 2024 maybe still got transaction. Maybe now is already 25879 like this. Okay, so same, just maintain like this, reset yearly. If your company no need to put monthly information, so here I just select the date. Any date will do. See, September date also can. Once is the important is 2024. So you see, capture already. Capture already. So it will be follow. ESIV 2024. Next number is 25879. Okay, understand? Can get it? Okay, I paste the formula here. So if you want to change it, you can copy and save it. Okay, you can copy and save it. Very simple, yeah? Very simple. Or maybe I copy like this. Sample and, okay, like this. Okay, sample and the function, sample and the function. Okay, so this one, okay, huh? This one, okay, huh? Not so complicated. So now I just change a customer invoice. So if you want to change another document also can, just double click inside and then edit will do. And then edit will do, okay? Any document number you want to change, any document type number you want to change, just double click in and then edit, paste the format and then change it will do, okay? Change it will do, very simple. Any question about this? Everyone okay for this, for the running number? Okay, huh? So all copy down already. Okay, so if no question, then we'll continue to move on. Okay, so far now don't have any maintenance need to do already. Okay, done for all types of maintenance. Okay, we check one by one. Okay, GL done. Okay, maintain account done, maintain customer done, maintain supplier done, and then all the tools here, maintain all done. Option here and done already. Okay, everything done. For which one? The document number. This one is just sample for you to use. If you want to change your running number, yes, you can use this format to change. It just depends on your company, because default one is very simple. Some company maybe they don't like this type of default. See, very simple, they don't like. So if your company don't like this type, you can use the formula I give to change it, to modify yourself. Okay, so you can copy down this all this the thing I paste here. This is the formula, so you can change. Okay, so after all the maintenance, now very important side, we need to maintain opening balance. We need to input our opening balance. Okay, where we input our opening balance, which is here, GL, opening balance. Okay, after we maintain our account, done already, we go to GL, maintain opening balance, opening balance. Okay, we just click inside and then open it big. Okay, so enlarge all. Okay, open all. Okay, then take out your P&L on trial balance from your account, from your auditor. Then just put inside your debit amount and credit amount. That's all. Very simple, huh? This one very simple. Just get your profit and loss, which is P&L, and your trial balance from your accountant or your auditor after their tax filing lah. Okay, so just input here. Just input here. Once will do. Okay, once will do, which is the account before you use SQL. Okay, so the closing account before you use SQL, because SQL need to know your history what. So remember to input here. Remember to input here all the debit, credit. Okay, before you use SQL, you the previous software, you got closed account, correct? Then you want to move all the data to SQL. So here is where you input. So you get the P&L and the trial balance. You put here. Debit, put debit, credit, put credit. Just key in the amount will do. Okay, for all. For non-current asset, your current asset, all. Okay, but for customer side and supplier side is different, yeah? Because this is the way to put all these non-current assets, okay? Not include customer and supplier. So how we put customer and supplier opening balance? Very simple. After you maintain your customer, you insert the customer info already. You go to customer invoice, new, put the date before your system conversion date. Okay, for example, my system conversion date is 01/01/2024. Okay, so which means from 1st of January 2024, I start using SQL. So before that is still using other software, or maybe don't have any software. So there's a closed account. So you close the account already. So this one, you need to put the date before 01/01/2024, which is 31st December 2023. So once I put the date before the system conversion date, as you can see, it become past invoice. So here is where we insert the customer opening balance, which is this debtor, for example, A Home is still own, they still own me, for example, 1,000. So I just key in 1,000 here. Okay, for this customer. So we can know one by one the customer, how much they own us, how much is their outstanding balance. Okay. Okay, so this one understand, huh? For opening balance, we insert for all these non-current asset, other asset, and all the equity, blah, blah, blah. For the customer and supplier, we need to go to customer invoice or supplier invoice, change the date, become the date before conversion date, then make sure it is a past invoice. Make sure it is a past invoice, then it's mean by opening balance. So after I insert this 1,000, correct? You can see when I go back to my maintain opening balance, here, once I refresh, you see, the 1,000 will be appear at my trade debtor here already. See, automatic appear, automatic appear. So you see, if I do again, next A Home, this one is A Home, I do again for maybe CR. Okay, CR, I also put before system conversion date, become past invoice. Maybe CR still owe me around 989. I just save it. Okay, I just save it. Next, I go to maintain opening balance. See, automatically add on already. Okay, add on at your trap data already. Okay, so if the transaction invoice, you don't want to use your running number, you want to use the customer, for example, CR, they are still one bill, which is one invoice they're owning. You want to put the invoice number here, also can. Directly change only. Directly change only. You don't want to put lump sum amount, you want to put one transaction, also can. Okay. Just remember the date. The date, remember to put before financial start PR, before the system conversion date. Okay, so see. Later I will show. Later I will show. We go on one by one. Now I teach how to maintain the opening balance first. Okay. So later we'll show one by one. Okay, no worry. Okay. So any question about opening balance? Supplier and customer is the same way. Yeah. Supplier and the customer is the same way. And the invoice description you can change also. If you don't want to become sales, you can put as opening balance. Also can anything you can change here. For example, I show again this if we need, for example, the invoice number they still outstanding is invoice dash this number, and then the date maybe is before we use SQL, maybe it's 25 of October of 2023. They on until now. Then this one I can put opening balance. Also no problem, just depend on which type of wording you want to put. Okay, for example, this, they own us 569, save. Like this only, very simple. So go to opening balance, see, it will continue, keep on at your opening balance there. Okay, at your opening balance there. So as you can see, if I refresh here, now here, I can see there still have outstanding. And you can call out these descriptions. Just now I put is opening balance. Yes, you can see it also. And the invoice number. Okay. Very simple, huh? So opening balance just maintain like this. Nothing special. Okay. Nothing special. So customer side and the supplier side is the same. Okay. Any questions for opening balance? If no, then I will continue explain transaction one by one. Not off sales, customer payment not off will do. So later I will teach how to not off because I go follow the flow. I go on follow the flow. Easy. Okay, I will go on follow the flow. So now we go for opening balance first. Okay, so opening balance, all okay, understand? No problem, correct? Okay, so next we move on. Okay, after opening balance, we go to quotation. Okay, this how we create a quotation. Quotation, we just go to sales quotation, new, very simple. All the transaction type open, create new is the same. Okay, just select the customer and then put the quotation number. No need to put anything, just follow your running number and the date you want to change, just change. Okay, then next, just select your item, you want to sell it. Okay, just select your item. If you want to change branch, remember to change your branch here. Then select the quantity. Okay, then next is save. Done. Oh, sorry, this one just suspended already. Okay, wait. I unlock first. Forget to unlock it. Okay. Okay, unlock. Okay, save it. Okay. Okay, I unlocked it already. Can save already. Okay, so this is how we create our quotation. Okay, how we move on quotation to sales order or maybe other transaction. Very simple. You can go to sales order. If I quotation want to move on to sales order, yes, just click on new, select back the A here, then right click at any empty space here, See, there's a transfer from quotation. Yes, whether you want to transfer item by item or transfer the whole document, also can. Okay, for example, I want to transfer the whole document. I just click on OK. See, fully transfer. I don't need to do anything, then just save it. Okay, next, from sales order, I want to move on to DO. No problem. I just go to sales DO. Okay, same, just new and select back the company. Same, I go to empty place, click, right click, transfer from sales order. Then this one before that I go create one more. Okay, so which document I want to transfer? So maybe I want to transfer is 0001, 00011. So I just select it, or maybe I transfer two also can. Transfer all also can, no problem. If I want to transfer one only, then just click one, save. So very simple. Next, transfer the invoice. Okay, invoice. If I want to transfer the invoice, yes, same, new. Go on customer, choose back the customer, transfer from PO. Okay, this will do. See, very simple, just transfer like that. Okay, there's one more function, special function like this. Just show you all, new. Okay, if I select, I put many items. For example, this customer, Wendy, she like to buy a lot. This customer buy a lot thing. Okay, I just simply put a lot. So let you all know the function. Okay, for example, this one, this company buy 8 unit, this buy 5, this buy 10, this buy 7, this buy 6. Okay, let's see. If from quotation, they don't want sales order, they want directly delivery order already. Direct jump to DO, no problem. Can direct jump to DO, new, then we choose back Wendy. Okay, we can right click it, transfer from quotation. Okay, see all the items just now I select will I insert will be appear here. I can choose item. I can choose item. For example, for this, at the quotation that time they request 8, correct? But now they say they want order for 5 only. This one maybe they want full. Just take it. Okay. And this one maybe they want 8. You can just select like this. No problem. This one maybe want 4 only. This one maybe want 1 only. No problem. You can just put like this. Okay. Then okay. So system will follow the quantity you insert. Save. Okay. Done. Then maybe next time this Wendy design group say that, oh, last time the quotation, there's still the amount still left. Can I use for another DO? Yes, you can. So you just put on new, choose back Wendy. All the leftover will still appear here. Will still appear here. For example, this time they say full. Maybe this one full. This one only. This one maybe one only. Also can. Also can. And one more thing, we can know our flow. Our flow. For example, just now I create this tool, correct? You see, when I go to this item code, I just right click it, and there's a view item flow tab here. Just click it. As you can see, I can know the item flow. This DO is transferred from this quotation. And for this item, original is 8 quantity, 8 unit. For DO 0006, they want 5 unit. Then DO 007, they request for 2 unit. I can know all the flow. Then now outstanding, still left 1 unit. You see, I can know all the flow. I can know all the flow. Even I can have a report to view outstanding sales document listing, which is like this. I apply. I can know Wendy now have these 3 items haven't fully transferred. See, I have this kind of report. I can see it. If you want to view it, you can go to sales, outstanding sales document listing to view it. Okay, the things you haven't finished transfer, whether it's from quotation or maybe sales order or DO or invoice. Okay, if the balance no longer required from customer, what to do for the balance? Just ignore it. Just ignore it. No need to do anything. Just ignore it. It won't affect anything. Okay, just ignore it. Just this is an extra function for you to view. Just ignore it. Okay. Welcome. So another thing, if we move on to sales invoice, we can have two types of transfer, whether you create a new invoice to transfer or you don't want, you can directly go to the DO, right click, transfer to sales invoice. As you can see here, there's a one more function, transfer to sales invoice. See, directly create a new transaction for you. So if you don't want to do the way like that, for example, just now I go on one by one, just now I go quotation first, then I go sales order, then I go DO, then I go invoice to transfer, right? Just now I go invoice to do like this, Wendy, then I only click transfer to DO, correct? If you don't want to do like that, after you create DO, like just now, after I save this transaction, okay, I don't want to click this button again. I can directly right click any empty space to click this, transfer to sales invoice. Automatically transfer already, automatically create an invoice for you. You can do like this, two ways to do, okay? If you want to multi-DO with one invoice, no problem. Just go to sales invoice. Okay, go to sales invoice and new and search for the customer and right click it, transfer from DO, document. If you want to transfer multi-DO, correct? Just click off. Then system will help you to insert all. See? Directly insert all, no problem. Okay, no problem. Or you want to join like, okay, if you want to join like this, Wendy, same, I go to transfer from DO, I can even select item. This, you see, this is from different document type, correct? Different document number, correct? 6 and 7. So for this invoice, maybe customer very annoying. They say, I want invoice first for DO this item. DO 006 this item and DO 007 this item. Okay, some customer really like do like this. No problem. You just stick it. See, can also, no problem. Can also. Okay, so I still can save it. See, I still can save it. Save it. After that, if I want to view the item flow, yes, I can view it anytime. Just go to here, item code, right click it, see, view item flow. See, the full item flow. This CL/LED ring original from this quotation, QT0010, the date. Original is how many quantity? Transfer to this DO. Okay, transfer to this DO. And now you do it full. Okay. See the flow, very clear. See, very clear. Okay, understand? This one can understand? Very clear, the flow. You can always view the flow, no problem. Okay, from any document type, you can view the flow. It will highlight now currently you are opening which type of document. So if you want, you just double click, it will link to you. See, I didn't go to here, do any setting. I just double click. I want to see this quotation. Double click only. Automatic open for you. The original one. Original from which quotation. Okay. This one understand? If I want to view this DO also can. Double click. This DO automatic appear. Automatic highlight which item you select. Which item you are viewing now. Okay. So this one understand? Can understand? So we got two types to transfer the DO to invoice. Okay. Any document you want to transfer also got two ways lah. Also got two ways. So you remember, just go to click, right click only. Just go to right click only. Whether you want to transfer from or transfer to. Okay. Transfer from is transfer from the document before the sales order. Transfer to is transfer to the document after the sales order. Okay. This one all can understand? Any questions? Okay, so next I want to explain is, okay, invoice and cashiers is the same way, This the cashiers will automatically call out like the post system, the payment. Okay, cashiers will prompt out when you save it, it will prompt out the amount, ask you how much the customer pay, like this only. The difference is only this box. Okay, sales invoice won't appear this box. Cashiers, it will appear this box. Okay, then no much different already, same. Cashiers also can transfer from the DO, no problem. Just the difference is it will appear this box. Okay, and the payment, customer payment, not off the not off will automatically do for you. This is the cashiers. Okay, this is the cashiers. Okay, so if everyone okay, I continue to customer payment. Can? Quotation, sales order, DO, invoice, cashiers, okay? Any questions for sales side? From quotation to cashiers? Any questions? Okay, okay, no problem. SQL post, just ignore it. SQL post, remember to ignore it because this is for those who purchase the SQL post system. This is we do linking. So if you don't have SQL post system, just ignore it. Next, I explain one more the function, extra delivery order. What is this? This actually is same with the DO here, totally the same. Just some customer, some company, our customer lah, they request the programmer because their practice is not DO transfer the invoice. They invoice first, then only do DO. Some company, their practice really like this. That's why programmer add on this function. So if your company is regular like DO, then only go to invoice, then just do like normal process. Okay, this one is just terbalik. Some company they really terbalik one. Okay, invoice first, then only DO. Can, yes, no problem. So they didn't use this DO function. They use invoice, then only do extra delivery order. That's why programmer create one more function at here. So if your company do the flow like original way, then no need do anything. Okay, the function also the same actually. So just ignore it. Okay. Then the NCN letter, I will explain it. So now I once transfer DO to invoice, then the DO cannot edit anymore. Is it? Yes, correct. Because it's already locked. It's already locked. You transfer already what? So it locked it. So if you want to amend, then you have to cancel the invoice, then only can amend at the DO, then only go to the invoice, transfer again. Okay? Okay, if not, is maybe because system need to lock it. If not, later got any adjustment, become the system error, there's more issue. Okay. So everyone okay for this? Now I teach you all how to knock off the transaction. Okay, for the knock off, we go to customer payment only. Customer payment only. Very simple. You just click on new. New, then choose the customer. Select the customer. For example, just now I create many Wendy. I go Wendy. Okay, so now Wendy. Wendy, she want this company want to pay how much? Just key in here. Just key in here. Then Wendy pay to which bank? Okay. For example, now we have one more function is bank balance. So all the transaction is received for the Maybank or maybe the transaction payment by Maybank. System will auto do the plus minus. You can agak estimated know the bank balance here lah. So if I choose Maybank, now currently the amount in my system is this, or maybe I choose CMB, you see the bank balance will be jumped. This is just a reference only, okay? Just a extra function, 00, because just now PB Bank I create myself, correct? The new bank, so haven't have any transaction in, so this still 0, okay? So just choose bank, which bank, Wendy payment to, and any bank charges or maybe check number, you just key in, okay? And the pay amount, you can put the amount the Wendy pay lah. For example, maybe Wendy didn't pay for full, maybe they want to pay 8,000 like this. Maybe Wendy say she want to pay for this one full, then you take all. Then if Wendy say this one maybe I want to pay 5K only, then you put 5K not full, also can. Then maybe others the leftover want to put here, just take it. Okay, so you apply all, then this is still, this two type document still got outstanding, then just put it. So just key in the amount Wendy want to pay to which transaction, or maybe Wendy very good one, they put the amount, they pay the amount very accurate, then just follow. Okay, after that, just save it. Okay, that's all. This is how we do the knock off, very simple one. And we can view the history. We just go to customer invoice. So you can see, I find for Wendy. Okay, all the Wendy transaction will be out. You can see the outstanding, we even can go customer invoice there to view it. So this transaction now outstanding still have 990. This not off, fully not off already. This one still left 9,000. And when as you can see, when I click this transaction, the payment history will appear here. I can see the payment history, not off at which document. Okay, if I just double click this, it will automatically link to here. Okay, automatically link to here. Okay, all the info will be from out. Okay, all the info will be from out. So very simple, all is shortcut. Okay, so you can see all the info. Even customer CN, if you want to, the customer want to use CN to knock off the invoice, yes, we can do it. We just go to customer CN, new CN, and select for Wendy. Select for Wendy, for example, which one, which account, from which account, GL account, or what is discount by amount, or not. Okay, this one CN, yes, can knock off the invoice. Yes, CN can knock off the invoice. Okay, so the customer payment, any questions? Any questions for the customer payment? Okay, so now we continue another problem, another very big issue is like this. I want to explain customer invoice and sales invoice. Next is customer CN and sales CN. There's a difference, okay? We need to know the difference. Okay, as we can see, we got customers invoice, we got sales invoice. Okay, I put side by side. For me, I strongly suggest for my customer, all my customer from today, you create your transaction in sales invoice. Don't use customer invoice to create new transaction. Okay, why? First thing is customer invoice here cannot submit e-invoice. Okay, customer invoice here, which is from this customer invoice here, we cannot submit e-invoice. Okay, we cannot submit e-invoice. As you can see, we don't have my invoice column here. We don't have my invoice function here. So remember, for now on, I will suggest all my customer don't use customer invoice to create transaction. Okay, customer invoice for me is just used for check my outstanding, my customer outstanding, or outstanding information only. See, I just use for checking. I just use for checking. I can see the outstanding information. I just use to check outstanding information. Okay, don't use the customer invoice to create new transaction. Okay, or use sales side, the sales tab there, the sales invoice. Don't use customer invoice. Okay, so customer invoice just to check any outstanding for all the transaction, all the outstanding only. Okay, the outstanding will be include the CN. Okay, for CN deduct amount also will include. So this one is for us to check the outstanding only. Okay, to check the outstanding only. So remember, don't use customer invoice to create new transaction. If you want to create transaction, use sales invoice. Use sales invoice. Okay, I repeat, I use sales invoice because only sales invoice here we have my invoice function. Here don't have. Okay, customer invoice here don't have. Okay, remember, another thing is to see inside. Sales invoice here, we can insert more things. We can insert more things. For customer invoice, there's limited. We cannot insert branch. We cannot select branch. We cannot do transfer. Okay. Only we can do is manually type the account. The account is your GL account. GL account. Okay. But sales invoice can select your GL account also. You just call out the account field. It's the same. You see, it's the same. It's the same. Okay, it's the same one. Cashiers, okay, cashiers, no worry. Cashiers, no worry. Now I mentioned it's the tab, different tab. Customer tab and the sales tab. Okay, so every transaction, please use the sales tab to do. Because only sales and purchase tab have my invoice function. Okay, cashiers have no worry for cashiers. Cashiers is same with sales invoice. See, there's a my invoice function here. No worry. Cashiers is totally like sales invoice. Just cashiers will prompt out the box, the payment box together with the not off payment. So you no need go to customer payment not off again. Okay. One more is a more easier way. Directly do the not off. Okay, cashiers no problem. So remember, customer invoice, don't use customer invoice. Everything you can insert in customer invoice, you can insert at sales invoice also. Customer CN, later I will continue explain. I explain the invoice first. Okay, so later after this invoice, you all understand already, we proceed to customer invoice. Sorry, customer CN. Okay, huh? Okay, huh? So sales now I continue for the customer invoice and sales invoice first. Okay, another thing for sales invoice is from if after implementation of e-invoice, every single line item we have to insert one more information which is called classification number. Okay, customer invoice here we cannot insert classification number. We cannot insert classification number, but sales invoice, yes, we can insert classification number. And the classification number is a mandatory field for e-invoice. Okay, it's a mandatory field. So very important here. Okay, another thing is for those didn't purchase the stock module, no worry. If you only purchase basic account module, they is still free for these two functions. These two functions very, very useful because you no need to, every time you insert the transaction, you no need to retype. For example, just now you all see, when I create a transaction, I just select from my item code, correct? Very simple. So you can maintain these two, you can fully use these two because it's free together with the basic account. Okay, for those purchase the stock module, they have a function from this until this. But for the basic one, you still have these two. These two are already very powerful, very useful for the e-invoice era. Okay, what is maintain stock item group? Stock item group, you can maintain as many as you want because this follow your GL account. So how we maintain? We just create a code and the descriptions. This one costing method, you just ignore it because you didn't use the stock module, correct? So you just ignore it, the costing method. What you need to do is mapping your sales code. So whatever stock item you select this group, the sales item will be follow this account code to insert in your P&L and the purchase code. As you can see, this for this testing company, you see my maintain account here, I got different sales. I got different sales type. See, I got different sales. If you have only one sales type, very simple, just use the default one will do. No need to do anything. But if you want your P&L be more clear, be more more categorized, you can do like this sample. See, they have different sales. They want to know each category. So they maintain one by one. So here the maintain group, they create one by one. See, bedding is 500-100, furniture is 500-200, lightning, dining is 300, and 400 storage, 500 is the others. Okay, same for the purchase side, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 lah. See, same, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, after you create the group, you just go to your stock item, new, very simple. I use got the info first. Okay, I simply choose one. You just create a code, and then any descriptions follow The code can follow your description. Whatever you want to do, just follow. Okay, just very freedom one. Okay, so code description, you can do whatever you like. And the item group, you just select it. You just select it. Select to the item group you create just now. So if you only have one type of account, then you don't need to do anything. You just default only. Just default only. Okay. So nothing special. So if you got do more category, need to do like this. If only one type, more simple. Just create the code description will do. If you want to put the cost, price, yes, you can put. So every time you insert the transaction, you select this item, the price and the cost will automatically throw out. So you don't need to type the amount also. Okay, no need to type the amount also. And one more thing, very function is this, more description. I very like this because some of our descriptions, we have more information about this item and you want to appear in every single invoice. Okay, for example, I use this as a sample. See, more description I type. I do like this. It will totally follow. Okay, save. See, when I create my sales invoice, I call out the more descriptions. Where's my more description here? Okay, I call out. Okay. Just now I do which one already? Okay, wait. More description. This one, the first one. Okay. Okay, the first one. See, more description have info already. I save it. Okay, I simply choose one format will do. See, the thing I insert automatically appear. So I no need to retype and every time. I no need to retype it, automatically appear. If you want to change it, for example, for this transaction, this some info you need to do the minor adjustment. Yes, you still can adjust it. You just click on this three dot button, or for example, this line, for this transaction, no need. Okay. Yes. Save. It won't appear. It won't appear. Okay. Very good function, very useful function for all of us to use. And one more thing is the classification code. The classification code. So this is very important for e-invoice. So you can set this item is for this classification. So every time you create transaction, you no need to figure out, okay, this item is which classification number. So once you set for one time only, so next time you no need to remember already what classification is belong to this item. Okay, you set it. You set it every time you create the transaction, you set this item, it will automatically appear. And the account, you see, the account will appear also. So that's why customer invoice here, no need, don't use this, no function for this. Because here, all the things we have here, all sales invoice also have. And sales invoice have more powerful function. Okay, it's more powerful. Okay, so remember, use sales invoice, don't use customer invoice. Okay, so any question for the sales invoice and customer invoice? Can I have DO no show in invoice? DO no show in invoice? Sorry, I don't get your meaning. Can I have DO no show in invoice? Oh, DO number. Oh, DO number in it show in invoice. Yes, DO number can show in invoice. Just select your format. Just select your format. For example, just now Wendy, I transfer from DO, correct? Okay. You see, I'm not sure which type of format already. Can show the DO number. Yes, you can call up. If your format, you already do your format, DO number. Yes, there is a DO number will show. There's a format will show DO number. No worry, just depend on the format you select. If I also need car plate number, what field can I key in? You can key at remark 1, remark 2. There's a lot of function you can call out. You see, here, everyone can click on this. Here we have a hidden function here. You can take. You see, there's a second description or maybe remark 1, remark 2. This is an empty space, you can key in extra information for you to use. So you can put here, second description or remark 1, remark 2 also can. Yes, it will show at your format. So after you key in here, you just call our support. Okay, you just choose one of the invoice format you like, the layout you like it, and then you call our support, and our support will help to insert it. See now, for example, this format already have our DO number, you see? So next thing you need to do is, you see, we have a lot of format. You can choose one layout that you like it. Okay, then you call our support to tell our support that you want to insert, you want to appear the DO number and the remark 1 or remark 2 column. Okay, you see this one have DO information also. This item is transferred from DO 0006. This item is transferred from DO 007. Different format have different layout come out, the different information come out. So Jenny, you remember to check all the format, depends on which one you like, you just call our support to help to insert the remark column. Okay, depends on which remark column you use. For example, you copy, maybe you want to put in remark 1, or maybe remark 2, or maybe second description also can. Okay. SQL very freely to use one. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, so next thing you just select the format. Okay, different format have different layout lah. See, all is different. All is different from layout. So you just choose the format you like the most. Okay, then for our support, tell them that you want to insert some information at the remark 1 or remark 2, and then ask them to help you to call out the field will do. Okay, very simple. Okay, so any question for invoice? If not, I proceed to CN. Okay, so next we go to CN. Okay, I close all. Remember, don't use customer invoice from now on. GKH, my office got 4 systems. Each system can add admin name in invoice or cash bill to open that bill. Yes, you can create user account like this, maintain user. But this one is complicated a bit. I think you can call our support. They can help to create account. Okay, because after create account, you can put in password, blah, 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 all the things. You can do the login. Okay, for example, this admin only can do which type of transaction. That admin maybe can do purchase only or sales only also can. That one we use as maintain user. So use the different username to log in. If my company do service can do customer invoice, your company do service, yes, can use customer invoice, but I still not suggest to use customer invoice, but because cannot submit e-invoice. Cannot submit invoice because if you do service, you can also use the sales invoice, and you can do the stock item also. What you put the service type, and can put the service information at the more descriptions. If you don't want to do like that, you can also copy the previous sales invoice to the new sales invoice also can. We can copy and paste. For example, this one, I can direct right click, copy, and paste. See, I can copy and paste, and then I change the customer only. So all the info bottom there is the same. So whatever no matter you are sales company doing goods or service, all can use sales invoice. It's more convenient to use. Better you don't use customer invoice. E-invoice cannot submit. Okay. Okay, so no problem. So I continue to CN. Okay, customer side we have CN. Sales side also have CN. Okay, CN and DN is the same. So I explain CN will do. Okay, CN is and DN, the function is the same. Okay, so I explain CN will do. Okay. What can I say is like this? Still CN we use to create transaction. Then customer CN we use to knock off transaction. Understand like this? Just join at 11. Have you sharing about multi-price just now? Multi-price? Multi-price? What kind of multi-price? I'm not sure. What kind of multi-price? Okay, I continue CN first. Later I only answer your questions. Okay, for CN, sales CN, we create. Customer CN, we knock off. Okay, like this, very simple. For example, this CN, we create G Deluxe. We create, I create Wendy. Just now Wendy got record. Wendy just now left. Which one I go to see? Wendy invoice got outstanding one. So I use Wendy for sample will be more easier. Wendy. Okay, this one still outstanding. Modern ring designer. Okay, wow, I'm so lucky. Okay, modern ring design. Okay. Okay, good. LED pendant, 3 color. Yes, correct. Okay, this one still got outstanding. Okay, I use this to do CN. Okay, so now Wendy wants CN this out. Okay, so I create here, I save it. After I save it, I go my customer credit note. I just refresh it. As you can see, it will be appear. After appear, you just go to double click it and then edit it and then yes, and then off. Knock off the invoice, which is this CN to knock off. Depends on which invoice this CN want to knock off. So I knock off this one because just now I select the item from this one. So like this only. Okay, so remember, sales CN is to create, customer CN is to knock off. Okay, just like this. After you create a sales CN, you go to customer CN, knock off only. Because sales CN only can submit my invoice, same, customer CN cannot submit my invoice. So customer CN function is just like customer payment function. Okay, customer CN function just like customer payment function, just used to knock off. Okay, just used to knock off. Very simple, huh? Can understand, huh? Okay, Jenny, multi-pricing function. You mean multi-pricing function? Have you sharing about multi-pricing? Can you give me an example? Because I'm not sure the multi-pricing function you talk about is which one? Sorry, huh? When we use your CN for damaged goods, stock will add back. Yes. Okay. The sales CN will adjust your stock. Okay, for your stock, your sales CN. So if you put 1 here, then the stock there will be add. So if the question is price wrong, you put wrongly, put wrong price, you don't want to affect the quantity, then how we do? Very simple. If you don't want to affect your item quantity, same, I use modern ring. Here, you just put 0. Won't affect your item quantity, then maybe deduct the price. Maybe price set wrongly already, price charged wrongly. So now only want to deduct out the amount, the price amount. So quantity, you just put 0, put 0. Okay, save. Then your stock there won't have any plus and minus. Oh, sorry, subtotal here I put. Okay. So your stock report there don't have any plus and minus because this one is just price problem. Price, maybe your clerk put wrongly. So the CN only to deduct the price. Okay, to deduct the price, maybe discount or what? Your clerk forget to do it. Okay, so remember quantity put 0. If you got insert quantity, then your stock report there will have adjustment, whether plus or minus. Okay, CN will be plus back. Okay, CN will be plus back. Yes, correct, Miss Lee. Okay, so same. I create here already. I go out. I refresh again. See, CN005 come up. So I double click. Edit. Yes. Same, not off only. See? Okay, not off only. So sales CN is create transaction. Customer CN is to not off. Okay, if you don't want to have any adjustment for your stock quantity, remember to put 0. If there is stock adjustment quantity, then remember the quantity just follow. Okay. Okay, DN also the same. Go to sales DN, do it only. Okay, once you create at your sales DN, same, I put both sides. Everything you create at your sales DN, the customer DN will be appear also. Okay, so for example, now the balik, I put the balik. Okay. Okay, this okay, move the left and right. Okay, same sales DN create. Okay, for example, Wendy again. Okay, same, now purchase this item, want to add on this item, I save. See, when I refresh here, already appear. Customer DN also appear. So no problem, because DN function is same with the invoice function. Okay, as I know, SQL Pro version got multiple pricing, right? Yes, SQL Pro version got multiple pricing, but the multiple pricing is what already? Temporary, like free. Multiple pricing. Sorry, Jenny, I think you maybe need to contact support about the multiple pricing because I already blur for it. Okay, I'm sorry for Jenny. I'm sorry. Today, because I teach the basic account only, so the multiple pricing, I think I didn't touch it yet. I didn't touch it. Oh, this damaged good you throw. Okay, for this type, you can go to your stock module there, do the stock issue, will do. Okay, stock issue. Do the stock issue will do. Okay. For busy, you go to stock item, stock module, stock tab that do the stock issue will do. Pre-order invoice, how to do? 80% for booking, balance 20%. Pre-order invoice, you just do like normal invoice, then the 80% you can do for deposit, or maybe you do for customer payment to knock off the 80%. Just do by normal. Okay. So the DN can understand? Very simple. DN is same with the invoice only. This one depends on your company practice. If you want to separate two invoice, okay, also can. If don't want, just leave it. Oh, this one 80% for booking, balance 20%. This one is just depend on your company, because SQL is follow whatever you want to do. Do one invoice. Just depend on whatever you want to do, because there's no rules for this kind of transaction. So depends on how your company want to view it. Depends on how you all familiar, what kind of the practice you all familiar with. Because SQL is just follow the instruction, the type you key in to do. So for the pre-order, you can do for normal invoice, then the customer payment, then they just knock off 80%. Just knock off, then you can see the outstanding still left 20%, like this. So depends on you, or you want to separate to two invoice also can, because SQL is just a software. Payment, you can knock off as many customer payment entry as you want. No problem. As you can see, our invoice here, for example, Wendy, you see, one transaction, you see, this is one invoice only. One transaction, we can have a lot of payment history. See, firstly is payment 2006. Next is CN. Just now I kacau this account. I do CN. No problem one. Okay, no problem one. So one invoice, you can have a lot of receipt for this invoice. Okay. Okay, any questions? Very simple one. Nothing to worry. Just depends on your practice. So no worry, one invoice, we can have a lot of payment history. We can have a lot of receipt. No problem for this. No problem for this. And one payment, we can knock off many invoice also no problem. Okay. Okay, so we settle the CNDN. Okay, CNDN payment ready. Refund is to refund the CN. Okay, if there is any refund you want to do, refund the CN. If your CN didn't use to knock off the invoice, then you use refund to knock off the CN. Okay, refund is to use to knock off CN only. Okay, refund, knock off CN. Okay, customer contra. Customer contra and supplier contra is the same way. So if you do the contra, remember to do both sides. Okay, to do both sides. So you create at one side, another side, just add it. Okay. If you have mother and son company, knock off use transaction to knock off transaction, then you use the supplier contra and customer contra will do. Okay, this is a contra function. Just for knock off, you knock off me, I knock off you like this only. Okay, so any questions for all these tab? Customer and supplier all is the same, yeah. Customer and supplier all is the same. So you know how to do customer, supplier side is totally the same. Okay, customer and supplier is the same. Okay, so we continue. Just now sales, we cover quotation, sales order, DO, invoice, cashier, post, blah, blah, blah. Okay, until here. What is sales cancel note? Sales cancel note is an extra function to cancel the sales order because some of our sales order, we didn't transfer, right? We didn't transfer to DO or invoice. So when you're doing transfer, for example, I create one sales order first. I create a lot. For example, this dream villa, order many things before at the sales order. Okay, for example, like this. Then when I create the sales invoice, dream villa, I want to transfer from sales order, but there's a lot of history record. Okay, for example, the previously didn't do transfer and the system will keep it, correct? Will keep on keep it. So when you want to find the item or want to find a document, too many history there, you feel so annoying. You want to remove those history. Don't want to use already. That one is maybe previous last year or what, but still pending here. Are very annoying. So you want to remove it. So we use sales cancel note to remove it. Use sales cancel notes to remove the sales order, the outstanding sales order, which is the one to transfer already. No more transferring like this. See, I remove it now. It won't affect your account, huh? It won't affect account. Just remove the history record. Just remove the pending record. So after I save it, as you can see, I go back to sales invoice. I select the dream villa. Right click it, transfer from sales order. You see, no more record. Okay, no more record. But the bug is sales cancel note can only use to remove the pending record for sales order. Quotation cannot. Okay, quotation cannot. Don't have the function for quotation. Only to remove the sales order pending record. Okay, so sales cancel note, it won't affect your account. Just remove the annoying pending record previously one that you haven't transferred, then no need transfer again that one. Okay, so this is the sales cancel note function. Same with the purchase cancel note. Purchase cancel note is used to remove the purchase order pending item. Okay, pending item, which is you don't want to use it anymore and you don't want to show it. The list is too long, you want to remove it. Okay, so the purchase cancel note and sales cancel note function is this. Okay, it won't affect your account. It won't affect your P&L, anything. It just remove the pending record. Understand? Okay, so here I cover all. Purchase side is same with the sales side, totally the same. So here sales side we have extra DO. Same purchase side we have extra good receive. It's the same with the good receive. Just depends on your company practice. Some company mostly is good receive only purchase invoice, but there's some special company they do purchase invoice only good receive. Okay, so programmer add on this function. So nothing special. Okay, so any questions for all these? Extra DO, which is same is with DO, but some company, their practice is they do invoice first, then only invoice transfer to DO. Some company do like that. Okay, so they ask programmer to add on this function. That's why programmer add on this function. So actually it's totally same with DO, because mostly 90% of company in Malaysia all is quotation to DO, DO to invoice, right? But there's 10% of the company, they are quotation to invoice, then only invoice to DO. They terbalik one. Okay, the flow they terbalik. That's why this one is extra function. Okay, extra function. Just for those 10% company. Okay, so any questions for this? All this? If no questions, then I will show one extra special function I feel like quite useful to check the price. Okay, okay, since everyone okay, then I show one more special thing. I quite like this function. Okay, we go to view tab. There is a function we call sales price history and purchase price history. Okay, sales price history and purchase price history. For the available stock, until the stock item search, all is for stock module lah, so I didn't cover today. So I today show these two, sales price history and purchase price history. Same for the meaning, sales price history for the sales side, purchase price history for the purchase side. What is this function? This function very useful. Why? Because if I call out this field, I can know all the history for this customer, for this item. Okay, I move to here, easier. Okay, for example, now I open this, correct? I select this. So for this item, I can know for this CR, they purchase, when they purchase, what is the previous price. For example, you see, I didn't touch here. I just go to other company. See, I select this. So premium chair for this GoGo Home, the latest record is here. I can know the price I set. I show others, I see can get more result or not. Wendy. See, for example, this Wendy, this modern ring appear when? Quotation appear before. So how many unit they order, DO, how many unit they order, invoice. So when you create transaction for this customer, you can always know the previous price or the previous document you create before for this item for this company. Okay, it's a shortcut function. See, I can know for AirAsia C, I can know this item for AirAsia C, the record before. Okay, even you can check, you can set how many latest record you want to see for which type of document. For example, if you don't want to see quotation as all, you only want to see invoice. So you just tick invoice. So only the invoice record will be appear here. So when you give price to this customer, you can always see the previous record. This one is extra function, okay, to check the history. You don't need to go in, go out, go anywhere to check. You just, when you create transaction, you just select the item, it will be appear. It will be appear. Any saved document, it will be appear for this customer. Especially for this customer, see, it follow the customer, the transaction, I open to jump. See, very clear one. Or jump. And it can link also. You double click this document, direct open. Okay, this is a special function. I feel quite useful when you want to create transaction for the customer, you want to know the price. You see whether you want to mark up or not, in the previous price, you want to check, no need go others document to check. Just directly open this view, see the sales price history. Okay, so this is very good function. You can always put at the bottom there. It won't catch up. Okay, so you can do whatever you like. Just move on to the thing you want to do. See, I select marble. All the marble things will come out. I select the modern pendant. See, the record will be jumped. Okay, so this is the special function for the view tab there. Okay. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. I feel very useful when you want to create quotation. Quotation all can use, not just for invoice only. You want to create quotation, that time also can use. You see, I just simply, okay, I call it first. Okay, you see, I call it. Now didn't have anything come out yet. See, I just put add infinite. See, add infinite capture already. So now I select any item. See, I just select this item. It already detect. Today I create before this item for this company. See, automatically detect. Now, okay. Now this one no record yet. It won't appear. See, very useful one. Directly appear if got record with any history before. Yes, you see, this appear already. Quotation I opened before 5 unit 40 ringgit. Okay, so it always follow the thing you select. It will auto jump. Okay, you just put at the bottom there or whatever place you want to put. You can see every time the record. So if you want to view back the quotation, you just double click. Auto open for you. Okay, auto open for you. You can see all the record. Okay. So all okay. If okay, then I continue to show report already. Because all setting, all transaction done. Everyone okay? Okay, so I see no questions. Okay, we go one by one. Oh, journal bank recon. Yes, we go one by one. Yes. Okay, sorry. Okay, we go one by one. So customer side, I settle, sales, supplier side settle, sales and purchase all settle. Now we go to GL. Purchase order. Or purchase order totally same with the sales order. Very simple. See, purchase order. New, select your supplier, then select your item code only. That's all. Very simple. So purchase side is totally same with sales side. So you know sales side how to do, purchase side is totally the same. Okay, nothing special, nothing special. Okay, so I no need to repeat. Okay, so now we go to GL because these 4 type are covered already. We go GL. Okay, first cash book entry. All the payment, all the receipt, all the receive, money in, money out, all will appear here automatically. Okay, automatically appear here. The stock will be covered for stock module next Friday. Stock module will be covered, will be have a class, have a training stock module next Friday, 10 a.m. Okay, if you want to join stock module, you can stock training, you can join for next Friday. Okay, so this is cash book entry. So if you want to create new payment voucher or new official receipt, yes, you can create here. Just click on new payment voucher, put the information payment to and payment by which bank and your GL account and the amount. Cashiers ask for refund. Oh, cashiers is direct payment already. Cashiers by direct payment already ask for refund, then you need to do CN for the cashiers. I think see cashiers ask for refund. Double check. I create one cashiers ask for refund and see. Cashiers, for example, this cashiers ask for refund. 85 ringgit and make payment ready, right? Okay, make payment, for example, pay payment. Okay, cashiers ask for refund. Refund, cashiers, payment only. Unless you, a moment, I check how to do it. Wait, 85. Okay. Now already close case. The cash payment voucher is already there. Cash payment already there. If asked for refund, let me see. CS. So if I go to payment here, I cancel this. The one to knock off. Yeah, cannot. Ask for refund. Wait, yeah, I see what can I do. It's cancel and non-refund. So if I do for cancel, wait, yeah, I try and see what can I do in the system. This one I cannot do any adjustment here. Cashiers cannot do any adjustment at the cash. Okay, I check for the refund there. Cashiers. They don't have any record out. Cashiers ask for refund. Refund have to, if cancel the transaction, wait. I see what can we do. I'm not sure this case. Cashier save already. Cancel the transaction. Yeah, cannot cancel. Yes, cashiers cannot cancel it already. Ask for refund. Wait, I see what can I do. This one cannot do, this one cannot adjust also, cancel cannot do. If let's say I directly put 0, I think cannot also. Oh, cannot. Wait, I see this one still unable to log record, maybe delete. Oh, okay, it direct disappear. Oh, can put 0, but it's refund. It's better to do invoice module because of e-invoice. Because yeah, because cashiers is direct do payment already, cannot cancel at the system there. So is in invoice will be more easier because customer payment there can do adjustment. Yes, correct. Because cashiers is more complicated. You see, the thing I only can do customer payment there, just now I cannot do anything. The cashiers here, the only thing I can do is totally remove this amount. Totally remove this amount. Then the payment won't be here. Then it become the invoice already. Okay. Yeah, I cannot do the edit here. After you remove the amount, only can edit. Only can edit. See, after I remove the amount at the bottom here, only can edit cash EG. But online transfer is problem. Yes. Yes, online transfer is more problem. So better invoice. But it still can remove here lah. Still can remove here. Like just now, I totally put the 0 here. I put a 0 here. So the payment receipt won't be out. Then after that, only do the customer payment again, edit back and save back and then put the amount. We can only do the adjustment like this. Okay. So just now, where am I? Okay, here. Okay, cash book entry. So if you want to do payment voucher, you can insert here. Official receipt also can insert here. Huh? So this is where we do the payment voucher and official receipt. We can do at the cash book entry. Journal entry for the all the account adjustment you can do here. Just input your account code and then the debit, credit amount you want to input like that only. Okay, this is manually do the journal entry for the adjustment. Okay, next is foreign bank adjustment. If you want, foreign bank adjustment actually is the same with the journal entry. So if you want to do the foreign bank adjustment and journal entry also can. If you're the one you want to separate also can. Okay, the function is the same one. Also put the GL code debit credit only. Okay, put the GL code debit credit only. So depend on which function you want to use. If you want to put use separately also can. If you want to join together, one lump sum all put in journal entry also can. Okay, next is bank reconciliation. Bank reconciliation, very simple. Just create new. Then put your bank statement date. For example, last year, 31st December 2024. Then select your bank. Okay, which bank you want to do the bank reconcile now. So for example, I select Maybank. After I select Maybank, I just apply. Show all the record haven't knocked off will be appear here. So you just take out your statement and then check one by one. If this amount appear in your statement, just tick it. If it didn't appear at your statement, don't tick it. That's all. So if you today cannot complete, never mind, you can save it. So next time, just open it back and then edit, continue. Like this only. Okay, very simple. So display period, just put the display period. If you don't want to put display period, just untick it so it will show all, then apply again. Okay, it will show all. So just not off. Very simple, huh? Then reconcile the most simple one. Take up your statement, then double check only, cross check, tick, 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 tick. Okay, then save. That's all. So for next month, okay, new again. Then it's 31st January 2025. Then same Maybank. Okay, then apply again. Then it will be appear. Okay. So say then tick not off. Then tick the transaction which is appear at your statement there. Then save it. Like that only. Very simple. Okay. So bank reconcile is the most simple one. Okay, this is bank reconciliation. Maintain stock value, we no need to do anything here because this is regarding to stock module. Maintain budget is a extra function. If you want to put a budget, you can put here. Just key in the amount will do. Okay. Just key in the amount or the year you can put here. Or maybe your budget is follow the project. Okay, you can select the project and put in the amount. Okay, put in your budget. That's all. Okay. So any questions for all this? For the GL side? Okay, yeah. Okay, now we go to report. Report, all the print wording in front is the report. See, there's a print wording in front is report. See, print, all is report. Report, it won't affect your account. Okay, it won't affect your account. So whatever you do inside, it won't affect anything. Okay, so we go one by one. All the report viewing method is the same. Okay, it's the same. So for example, the first one, GL document listing. So depends on which document listing you want to view. For example, I select cash book listing. Okay, so when is the date you want to view? So just put in. Okay, you want to do sorting or grouping? So then just put it. For example, I want to view by area first. Move my area to the above. Okay, so the document sorting will sort by area first, then only follow the day, only follow the document number like this. Okay, so this one all can move up and down, yeah. This all can move up and down. So depend on the report layout you want to view. Okay. And here you can freely choose. If you want to view certain transaction only, you can choose this. Click on this three dot button to take it. Okay, to take it. If you want to view all, just ignore it. So if you want to view certain project, yes, you can take it. Okay, if you want to view one only, then drop down list, select it. If you use drop down list, select one only. If you want to select several, then you just click this three dot button to tick like this. Okay, so this is all the function like this. So item project, or maybe currency, if you want to view SGD only or USD only, yes, you can just tick like this. So the report only appear the one you choose. For example, this one payment method, I want to view CMB only, also can. Okay, so all freely to select, all freely select. So after that, you just click on apply. Okay, click on apply. So next, you can preview it. Preview it. We use this totally same with Microsoft Office. Okay, use this function. There's few format for you to choose, for you to view. This is the format. If you don't want to view in PDF format, you want to view in the Excel format, yes, we can do. Okay, here we got this function. You can call out extra field if you want to show at your Excel. Yes, you can show local, this one, for example, I want to show this also, I want to show C agent also, you can take it out. If you don't want to view the check number, yes, you can untick it. And one more thing, we can move it. We can move it. For example, description, I want to view description first. Okay, I move here. Yes, you can freely adjust. After done, adjust all the things, you can right click it at any of these title, right click any of this title. Okay, right click and then choose for Greek export. Export to Microsoft Excel will do. Okay, after export to Microsoft Excel, you see the Excel appearance is totally same. It's totally same. If you not using the PDF to view, you want to view in Excel, yes, no problem. You just click export. Okay, right click at any big title here, click export, export to Excel, export to Excel, that's all. Okay, see, just now the thing I move, they totally follow one. See, all is the same, all is the same. And one more function is, you can see there's a plus here, there's a plus here, you can see more detail. You can see more detail if you see a plus here. Okay, same, also same, you can export it. See, you can export it, no problem. The thing you export is totally same with the thing you see here. Okay, and one more, you can double click on the transaction. Then system will auto open the transaction for you to see more detail. Okay, always can click here, click that, no problem one. Okay, you can freely to click. Okay, this is all the report function. Okay, this is all the report function. So same with others. Journal of transaction listing, same. I want to view the based on the date. Okay, just apply. This is all the transaction I'm doing today. Okay, I can preview it. Okay, depends on which PDF I want to view, which format I want to view. Same, I can call out this field if I want to view more information. Same, I can export to, I can export to my Excel. Okay, I can export to Excel. No problem. Okay, so all is the same. So same for the transaction summary listing. I just apply whether I want to view journal ledger or sales ledger or purchase ledger, all can view. All can view. Okay, all can view. So I just double click, you see, all linking. You can double click whatever you want, it will linking. Link to more detail. If I double click again, link to the transaction. Okay. So this is all the report. And same for your P&L, ledger, trial balance, profit and loss, also the same. When need to submit my invoice. What is your meaning? For my invoice, the training will be next week. Next Friday, I will cover for stock module and my invoice, e-invoice. SQL, how to submit e-invoice. Okay. So there's next week class, 10 a.m. until 12:30. 10 a.m. until 12:30. Friday, next Friday is stock module plus e-invoice. How SQL submit e-invoice. Okay, today is just cover basic accounting. So profit and loss, we got several format for you to view. Okay, for you to view. So just select. So format actually very simple. Okay, just now I got mentioned already, level 2, level 3, correct? So if your GL account, you got to like level 2, level 3, or maybe level 4, yes, you can view up to level, how many level you want also can. Okay, just depend on how you set your maintenance GL there. Okay, how you set and you maintain account there. Okay, so this is the report format. Okay, you can preview it, or you don't want, you want to view in Excel, yes, same, you can grid export, you can grid export, no problem, all can grid export, just go to the big title. Okay, and the field, if you want to call out more, okay, same. Okay, there's a lot of format. So here is for the GL, here is for the GL, and then here is for the customer. If you want to print the customer statement, yes, we have print customer statement. So customer statement is here. Okay. You want to print 12 months or 6 months, yes, you can select. Or maybe you want to sort by customer name. Yes, you put customer name first, then just apply. See, all will be appear. One by one. Customer one by one, follow the customer name. This one is followed by customer name. Okay. So this is customer statement. You can print at customer statement here. Customer statement here. Okay. Customer document listing. If you want to view invoice or deposit or any other listing, yes. Okay. So what is print document style? Okay, this one is very simple. Print document style, which means is print one invoice by one invoice. Okay, for example, now I didn't take print document style. I go for customer invoice listing, I apply only. So the thing I see is like this, just a listing. See, just a listing, just a listing. Okay, so if I take print print document style, okay, I apply again. See here, one by one invoice. Okay, print document style is means by one. Print the invoice one by one. Okay, print document style. So same, sales here also got print document style. See, print document style. So if the customer asks you to print all invoice one by one, so you can select the customer. For example, just now the Wendy, she say, I want one by one the invoice. Okay, you just tick print document style, apply, then preview it, choose the format. Okay, choose the format. Done. Then see, one document by one document. Oh, so far one document only. Now, which one? I got a lot. I think cash sales. Yes, apply. Oh, don't have. Don't have. Never mind. I choose all lah. Because my record is a bit only. Okay. See, I bring off. See, one by one. This is mean by one by one. Print document style is print one by one. Okay, so you no need to go open the sales invoice, then go inside, print, then come out, go inside search and print, come out. So you can go to here, sales document listing and take this print document styles, choose for the customer, and then choose for the date they want the invoice one by one, then apply, will do. Okay, then select your format. Then all the invoice for this month, for the selected date you choose, for this customer will be come out. So you no need to go in one by one. No need to go in like this, one by one, then one by one, click this, then one by one, click this, then print, then come out again, go again, find this CR again, like this. No need. Okay, no need. Oh, CR, I got a lot. I show the CR. CRs. Okay, for example, CRs. See, CRs. CRs. I don't want to select the date. See, got 5 invoice. So I just print document style. So these 5 invoice all appear out. See, page 2, page 3, page 4, or 5. Okay, so this one's more simple lah. Shortcut. Okay, this is sales document listing. This is the function for print document style. Okay, other than that, all is the same already. All is the same. All is the same for you to choose. Okay. For purchase side, also the same document listing. If you want to print one by one the invoice, yeah, you just take print document style. Other than that, no need lah. So they will show all. Oh, this one don't have report. Purchase side don't have many report. Okay, mostly is sales side. Okay. So any questions for today? This is all the report. Okay, you can go play on it. It won't affect anything. Discount, you want to key in directly at your sales invoice or cashiers, or also can. Sales CN, you a moment, open for you to see. There's a discount column. Discount. Here is the discount column. See, discount you can put here. Actually, when you create a transaction, you can put the discount here. Directly, we got the discount. Can put percent or amount also can. So for customer CN and sales CN, like I mentioned just now, sales CN is to create transaction. Customer CN is to knock off. It's used to knock off only. So don't create transaction at customer CN. Because if you create customer CN, one more thing is when you create transaction at customer CN, your sales CN won't appear one. Won't appear. Very special here. You see, customer CN I create. Just create. For example, cashier, I simply use one. Oh, sorry. This one I choose maybe return discount allowed lah. Like your case. For example, amount. Okay, I save it. Okay. See when I refresh it, see my sales CN don't have this CN-006 come out. it won't have. It won't have, only appear as customer CN. So if I create at CN here, cashiers, I do the same thing. Okay, item code I don't want to put, or I want to put also can, never mind. I can call out the GL account, which is the thing you say, discount allowed here. For example, 200. Just save it. Okay. See, this 007 appear, correct? Here I refresh only 007 appear. So I can use to not off. I just double click inside to not off. To not off. Okay, to not off. Okay. So discount allowed depends on what kind of transaction you want to do. You want to do like this also can, or you want to directly insert in your invoice also can. Here, there's a discount column here. Okay, very simple. Okay, remember CLCN create account or trade transaction, customer edit not off. Okay, customer is used to not off. So no worry. Sales there also can select account, also can select GL account, no problem one, no problem. Okay, no problem. Okay, any questions for today? Any questions for today? Okay, no, nothing. Thank you. I think I stop my recording now. If not, later the storage is too big.